maanta salaadii jimcaha ayaa nin mindista noo soo galay salaadii jimcaha ka tukanayna nin mindista soo galay masaajidkii Brother, why don't you call the police?
Please stay back. Brother, stay back.
This guy, he planning to see the gloves. Askerti bet şey mi diyor? That thing is a rubber bullet. Ahsan.
Back up, everybody. Let the cops do their job. Back up. Everybody. Clear the masjid.
Guys, clear the masjid. Everyone clear the masjid. Jazakallah khair. It's done.
This guy, he planned, you know,
Crazy.
Yeah.
He's crazy.
You see the gloves he wearing? He wearing the plastic gloves.
Is anybody hurt?
I think he's a mental.
He's crazy.
Alaikum assalam.